Damn. Yo, 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 everybody, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Join up, join up, join up. Hey, if you're new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. Hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. Yes, sir. Building that community. Hit that follow button so we can stay locked in, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How we feeling today? How are we feeling today? I think today is a great day to have a great day. Today seems like a great day to have a great day. What y'all think, chat? What y'all think, chat? I think today is a great day to have a great day, fam. What y'all think, chat? Hey, look, peep. We got 10 minutes till market open. 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 Hey, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Appreciate y'all joining up. Hit that follow button if you're new to the channel so we can stay locked in for sure. Yes, sir. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. How y'all feeling today, chat? How y'all feeling today? Today's a great day to have a great day, if you ask me. Today's a great day to have a great day, if you ask me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome in, welcome in. Got 10 minutes till market open. Let's see what the market has planned for our emotional well-being today. You see what I'm saying? Hey, I'm low-key. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, chat. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Past couple days, my morning routine low-key been like golden, bro. I'm gonna break it down for y'all because it's like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I used to just wake up. Literally, I used to wake up, stretch, make my bed, not even like eat. I wash my face, brush my teeth, but like I just straight hop on the charts, bro. I just straight hop on the charts, bro. That shit, I feel like that kind of thing. I feel like that kind of shit was doing me a disservice, bro. So I had to really like turn up my morning routine, bro. So past couple days, chat, I'm gonna really break it down. I wake up. So between 6 a.m. to 6:05, by 6:05 I'm out of bed. 6:05 a.m. I'm out of bed. Central time. 6:05 I'm out of bed. Make my bed, right? Then I go feed my little nigga. I go feed my cat. Go feed my cat, give it some water. Then I clean up behind my cat. You know what I mean? Because it be making a whole bunch of mess. The kitty litter and all that kind of shit while I'm asleep at night. So I got to clean up behind the little nigga. Then I make myself some tea. Once my tea done boiling, we outside with it. Immediate physical activity. We go for a walk. You see what I'm saying? We get some of that fresh air. You got to get some of that fresh air. Get some of that sun. Consume some of that sun. You get what I'm saying? That sun is really what recharges that battery. You see what I'm saying? What really makes a nigga feel good. Get you feeling great. You know what I'm saying? So it's like after that walk, we shower. And after we shower, then we hop on the charts, bro. But the morning, bro, I'm telling you, bro, after this new routine that I'm starting to build, I feel my mornings are like just way, it really shapes the whole rest of my day. I promise you. It really shapes the whole rest of like the performance of my day. It's so crazy. The significant and immediate difference, bro, in my morning routine, bro. It's so crazy. Never would have thought, bro. Because a lot of people overlook their mornings, bro. Some people don't even eat breakfast in the morning. And I'll be real, it's like I'm a breakfast kind of guy. I'm a breakfast kind of guy. If I have somebody cooking breakfast for me, I hate cooking breakfast. Like if it's like a full blown bacon, eggs, toast, sausage, grits, whatever, the whole not biscuits, pancakes, all that shit. I'm a bowl of cereal and keep it pushing kind of dude if I'm gonna make some breakfast. You feel me? But that's why I don't really be eating in the morning. So I just consume some water, bro. Straight fluids, bro. No cap. But hey, no bull. Welcome in, welcome in. If you new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. No cap. No cap. We need 100 followers by the end of this year. We need 100 followers by the end of this year. First 50 followers getting the OG tag, OG and VIP tag. So if you want that, hit that follow button and we gonna stay locked in on, bro. OG and VIP tags to the first 50 followers. No cap. No cap. And if you don't have that, if you don't have that tag, put in the chat and I got you. Gotta be following though. You gotta be following up though. Low key, man. Let's see. Cause I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hey, drop in the chat. What y'all think daily bias is for today, bro? What y'all think daily bias for today is? I know what my bias is. I want to see what y'all got going on though. I want to see what y'all got going on. Drop in the chat. Drop in the chat. What y'all think daily bias is, bro? What y'all think daily bias is, bro? Mind you, we on NQ with it. So what y'all think daily bias is for NQ if you trade NQ? That good old reliable Nas, man. Oh, reliable. Yes, sir. What y'all think daily bias is, man? Let me know some. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I want to see this 303.25 get taken out before anything. I want to see this 303.25 get taken out before anything. This Asia low that we generated Monday. This a Monday hourly low. Asia low. I want to see that get taken out before anything, low key. Mind you, this is an internal low as well since it's sitting inside of this hourly gap. So I feel like that's a strong drawn liquidity. Strong drawn liquidity for me. And then it's like, you know, if we decide, because mind you, if we look and we look to the left, based off of last week, we see that we have some market structure correction from Monday to Friday. Where is Monday? So Monday, from Sunday to Monday, we see obviously this bearish market structure. Then we have this correction to the upside from Wednesday to Friday, right? Now, come this week, first of all, we failed to break above settlement price of Friday. So this high right here, we failed to break this high come Wednesday, right? Now, Monday we made this we have this Asia low for Monday. We have yet to come down and break below this low. So if we break below this low and make a lower low, we could see retracement and then, you know, continue lower. But also, I'm just not sure, bro. I'm just not sure because it's like we're just bouncing up and down between 30,076.75 and, like I said, 29303.25. We're just bouncing up and down between these two levels. So it's like, I'm not sure whether to say that's consolidation. I wouldn't say it is. It's just I don't really have any confident direction, bro, or confident like destination or direction, bro. It's like but I mean, there was definitely plenty of opportunity to take longs and shorts this entire week. It's just been weird, bro. Wednesday, we start to see some consolidation between afternoon session going into Asia, going into London session. London session today. We start to see some displacement to the downside. We also do have this hourly gap that we may be fixing to respect. I want to see how this 9 a.m. candle close. I want to see this 9 a.m. candle close, how we close. If we see some respect, hold on. Oh, hold on. Mind you, we inverse this 12 a.m. hourly gap to the downside. We inverse this 12 a.m. hourly gap to the downside. So that low-key tells us something. And we also show respect to this 3 a.m. hourly candle. And on the 15-minute, we see that we have retested this 15-minute gap several times with this, while seeing displacement to the downside around 130. So it's like, hey man, I do want to see something. I do want to see something, bro. I do want to see something, bro. I low-key want to see continuation lower, if anything. I do want to see continuation lower. That bell, 9:30. I wasn't even paying attention. That strong push to the upside was the bell. That was market open. Hey, market open. Let's go. Come on, man. Let's see what we got, bro. Let's see what we got, bro. Let's see what we got, fam. Let's see what we got, fam. We got this 15-minute we got this 15-minute order block right here. We just tapped that 50%. And per usual, this usually is just manipulation. Market open manipulation, but I do want to see, okay, we got new day open gap right here. We got new day open gap here. We got new day open gap here. Yes, sir. Let's see something, bro. Hey, welcome in to the stream. Welcome into the stream. If you're new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. Welcome in. How y'all feeling today? It's a great day to have a great day. Hey, say. It's a great day to have a great day. Let's see what the market got in store for us, y'all. We did open higher into that 25% of new day open gap. Into that new day open gap on regular trading hours. This 15-minute order block, we tapped that 50%. I do want to see something, y'all. I do want to see something. Hey, drop in the chat. What do y'all think daily bias is? What is y'all daily bias for NQ today? Y'all thinking shorts or y'all thinking longs today? Y'all thinking shorts, y'all thinking longs? Drop in the chat. Let me see something. Let me see something. Where's my cat? Hey, Ruben. I need my risk manager. Where he at? Where you at? I don't know where my risk manager is. Where my risk manager is at, bro. English is chopped today. Okay, we seeing off of this 5-minute, 15-minute. Come here. And we show respect taking out this internal high on the 5-minute of this 7 a.m. candle as well. As well. As well. You take out that internal high on the 5-minute. That internal high on the 5-minute. We do take that out. All right, we starting to see price fall a little bit after opening higher up into that 25% of new day open gap. I do want to see before I even consider thinking about looking for an entry, I want to see this 29303.25 get taken. That hourly internal low. Yes, sir. I do want to see this this hourly internal low get taken, fam. I do want to see that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Wait, we did have news, but 7:30 or 8:30 unemployment for retail, moderate news. Has Trump posted anything today? Let me see if Trump posted anything today, bro. Nothing for real. He ain't posting no tweets today. That's a good sign. I'd hate to see him active today. Yeah. It's a bad day when Trump get active on Twitter, bro. Hey, low key, let me ask y'all something, chat. Cause somebody said some BS to me yesterday. Hot take. What has more volatility? Nasdaq or gold? Nasdaq or gold? Which is a more volatile market, bro? Somebody said some BS to me yesterday, trying to get me to trade gold, bro. What's the more volatile market? Nasdaq or gold, man? Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. Asia price action for Nasdaq has been looking clean for like the past week. Nasdaq Asia session has been looking kind of clean. Gold has a pretty good reputation for good price action for Asia session, cause they like to trade that shit over there on the whole other side of the world. They like to trade gold and shit. So it's like I'm just trying to think like, but then it's like I don't know, man. I just don't really see no market competing with Nasdaq 9:30 a.m. market open, bro. Like, dude, I just don't see no other market competing with that, bro. I don't see no other market competing with that, bro. If we being real, I really don't, bro. Low key, let me see something, bro. Cause we might, like I said, I'm trying to see how I'm trying to see how this 9 o'clock candle close, man. We got 20 minutes till this 9 o'clock candle close, bro. Ain't gonna lie. Yeah, get on, bro. That little nigga be pissing me off. But hey, see, that's kind of what I like to see. Because after tapping into this hourly gap, and that 15-minute gap, and this 25% of new day open gap, we're starting to see some we're starting to fall from here. And we're about to see inversion of this 5-minute gap here. This 5-minute gap here. Bow. See that? Y'all see that? Yes. Y'all see that, bro? I think I might take this trade right here, bro. Think I might take this trade right here, man. Low key. I'm about to take these shorts right here. Because we came up into this 5-minute inverse for value gap. Let's see what the market got in store for us today, chat. Hey. Everybody snap it up, man. Everybody snap it up, bro. Everybody snap it up. If you think this trade gonna play out, snap it up for me. No cap. If you think this trade gonna play out, snap it up for me. Low key, I'm gonna go break even. I say we go break even at this at 29,353.50 chat. 29,3.3 or 353.50 chat. That's where I'm going break even at. That's where I'm going break even at, chat. No cap. That's where I'm going break even at, bro. And I gotta journal this shit too. I gotta journal this. Boom. Bet we hit our break even. Here we go. Risk-free trade. Risk-free trade, chat. Come on, bro. What we doing today, man? Risk-free trade, man. Entry price was 29,430. 29,430. Take profit at 29,304.25. 29,304.25. Our stop at 29,485. 29,485.75. Our risk. How much we risk? Shit. Now we de-risking. We only. Shit, we went break even. Hold on. What was our risk though? That was 11.15. 11.15. All right, bet. Our risk was initially 11.15. Expected RR 2.27 to 1. 2.27 to 1, man. Did I wait for confirmation? Yes. Did I follow my plan to go short? Yes. Was I patient? Yes. Was it impulsive? No. Hey, chat. Drop in the chat if you think this was an impulsive trade or an A+ setup. Was this an A+ setup or an impulsive trade? Let me know. Was this an impulsive trade or an A+ setup? Let me know. Let me know, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. My boy Black God, what's good, fam? You just woke up. My boy Black God just woke up. That boy's probably up all night trading that damn indicator, boy. Hey, hey, my man Black God, bro. This nigga is a trading genius. Hey, let me let y'all know something. This nigga right here is a trading genius, bro. He really be cooking up them indicators, bro, for real. He be smacking, eating off of them, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. Hey, that boy ain't no joke, bro. Hey, and we see confirmation of continuation after respecting this 941 fair value gap. I think this trade might play out, chat. I think this trade might play out, chat. Hey, let me know some. Let me know some. I think this trade might play out, chat. Snap it up for me if you think this trade finna play out, chat. Hey. What we got? What we got? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What we got, chat? What we got, chat? Hey, let me calm down. Let me not get overly excited yet. Let me not get overly excited yet. We might reverse from here. We might not even take out this low, bro. Because mind you, peep, we are trading inside of an hourly gap right now. We are trading inside of an hourly gap. Y'all see this right here? Yes, we are trading inside an hourly gap right now. So we might not even take that shit. But peep. Know what I mean? Peep. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I want to see price take out this Asia low. I want to see price that. Hey, welcome in, welcome in. If you new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. Y'all finna watch me smack this fucking trade. Hey, snap it up for me in the chat if you think this trade finna play out. Clap it up for me in the chat if you think this trade finna play out. A+ setup. Boom. Let me see some. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What the fuck? What the fuck? It hit my TP. It hit my TP. It literally just hit my TP. Yo! Yo! Where are you going? Where is it going? Where is it going? Bro, I might have to manually close my trade, chat. I might have to manually close my trade, chat. They playing with me right now. Yo, they playing with me right now, bro. Ah! Yo! I might have to manually close my trade. Hey, you know what? Should I be that guy? Should I be the one that waits for it while they keep edging my TP? Or should I just manually close? Or should I just manually close, chat? Should I just manually close? We already up 2 bands, chat. Should I just manually close or should I just be patient? Should I be patient and let it play out? Should I just let it play out? It's gonna go down. I'm already knowing it's finna go down. How could they deny me? I'm already knowing, bro. It ain't nothing to sit back. They just playing with my TP because ain't no way. Bro, y'all literally see that shit, bro. Y'all literally see that shit, bro. They are playing with me. They are playing with me. That shit crazy, chat. How they gonna play with the maestro? How they gonna play with the maestro like that? Let's go! What we talking about, chat? What we talking about, chat? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, chat. That's what I be talking about, chat. Hey, A+ setup. Now let me break it down to y'all. For those who wasn't present for the entry to the exit. For the entry to the exit. Let me break it down to y'all. Because first of all, hey, y'all see, where is market open? 9:30. So boom. Disregard everything from 9:30 and above. Y'all see that from 9:30 we open up into this 5-minute, well, 15-minute gap. No. 15-minute order block. That's my apologies. 15-minute order block. We open up into this 15-minute order block. Then we see scaling down to the 5-minute. We start to see a rejection from that area, as well as taking out this internal high right here, right? This internal high right here. Boom. You got that. And then on top of that, You see this 5-minute gap right here, this 7 o'clock 5-minute gap. We respect this gap, right? Now, my deal is, we see this 9 a.m. 5-minute gap, right? This 9 a.m. 5-minute gap, okay? Now, come 9:35, we inverse to the downside. So I'm like, okay, boom, we just made an inverse fair value gap. I want to see price come back up to the 50% of this gap, 50% of this gap, so then we can come back down, right? Because I'm automatically saying, especially with the rejection, especially in addition to that, coming up to this 25% of new day open gap, I'm like, okay, boom. We may not even continue higher from there. So I'm like, hey, I scale down to the 1 minute. I set my I initially set my limit order at the 50% of this gap, but we get a, what's it called, like a spread? Is it called like a spread? I don't know, but I end up getting filled all the way up here for whatever reason. So I set my stop loss above these 1 minute highs that filled in this 934 gap, and I set my TP at these Asia lows, these 11 p.m. hourly lows. You get what I mean? So boom, like I said, water, what you talking about, boy? TP smacker for the win. Hey, this is what I be trying to tell y'all. This what I be trying to tell y'all. Hey, it ain't none of, cause Pete, if y'all had perfect attendance for the stream where I had blew my funded account, like I said, bro, it ain't none to take a few steps back. Hit the demo account, hit the paper trades, bro. Get back in that groove, get back in that system, that momentum, bro. Build up, stack up them days, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's all about discipline, bro. It's all about discipline, bro. I blew my funded because I was exercising undisciplined habits, bro. But as y'all can see, when you stick to your system, when you stick to the plan, everything works out. I promise you, everything works out. It's not, bro, fuck the P&L. Fuck the 2 bands I just made. Fuck the beautiful trade I just took. It was the discipline behind it. You see what I'm saying? That's what matters. That's the goal. You see what I'm saying? Gotta stay in the gym, bro. You gotta stay in the gym. Gotta keep that mind healthy on top of that body. If your mind ain't healthy, your body gonna follow. You get what I mean? So, hey, that's game for y'all. That's the lesson for today. That's the lesson with TP Smackle for today. See what I mean? That's the lesson with TP Smackle for today. No cap. No cap. No cap. So what I'm about to do now, chat, matter of fact, I'm about to let y'all see my journaling process. Peep. Because I just made a new template in OneNote from my trading journal. I just made a new template from my trading journal. So peep. Let me go right here. I'm about to show y'all my journaling process real quick. No cap. Let's go back over to it. Boom. So we got my trade exit screenshot. So boom, this is the template. This is the template. Hey, I'm about to make a new page. On here so y'all can actually see like the blank template for like all of what it is. So we got the session, we got the market, the directions, high time frame narrative, weekly bias, daily bias, high time frame draws and liquidity, ICT setup, because that's what I trade. I trade ICT concepts strictly only. So, you know what I'm saying? We got the examples of, you know, what kind of setup you could have took: Judas swing, silver bullet, fair value gap, entry model, SMT divergence, XYZ, ABC, you know what I'm saying? All of that good stuff. Why was this an A+ setup? If you do not have at least 3 bullet points as to why your setup was an A+ setup, that was not an A+ setup. Point blank, period. Now you got your entry data, entry, price, take profit, stop loss, risk, RR, all of that. Your before entry checklist. Did we hit high time frame draw and liquidity? Did I wait for confirmation? Did I follow my trading plan? Was I patient enough for my trade to play out? And was I patient enough for my setup to approach me? Or did I chase the setup? Or, and I'm saying on top of that, was this an impulsive trade? You get what I mean? All of these are important questions to ask yourself, because this all falls into discipline. Now, my emotions check today, I can definitely say I was pretty confident. I didn't have an ego boost or nothing, but it was a healthy confidence. You know what I'm saying? It was a healthy confidence, not only because I had a great start to my morning, but because, first of all, we had the confluences in line. My daily bias was short to go shorts. We had the confluences, we had the confirmations in line and check. And so I was pretty confident taking the trade that I took today. I ain't gonna lie. And then you have the results, you know what I mean? If it was a loss, what was the cause of the loss? You know what I'm saying? Because that's important data to collect. It's not all about, oh, where did I enter? How much did I make? What was the RR? It's so much deeper than that. You got to get down to the nitty gritty, down to the root system. You know what I mean? Down to the root system. Now, the biggest lesson of the day, you got to really sit back and reflect on your trade. What was the biggest lesson that you could have took from the trade you just took? You know what I mean? If it was a loss, there's always going to be a lesson to learn from that. If it was a win, there's always going to be another lesson to learn from that. You get what I'm saying? Because why? You want to be able to repeat what you did in the long run. You get what I'm saying? You want to be able to know what you did right, so you can continue making those, you know what I'm saying, making those steps forward. You get what I'm saying? So your trading and your performance can improve over time. You know what I mean? And then at the very end, we have our end of day review. So based on my daily schedule, I like to, you know what I'm saying, like after my lunch period, you know, give my mind a rest. I like to go back and actually like really break down my trade. How many trades did I take today? I'm usually going for a one and done kind of thing, but my maximum is 2. If I lose a first trade, we can de-risk, size down, try again. If we lose again, that's it. 2 is done. 2 is done. If we win 1, that's it. Because we don't want to get in the habit of being greedy. You get what I'm saying? So how many of my trades followed the plan? It should be all of them. It should be all of them. You get what I'm saying? How many were impulsive? That should be zilch. 0, my boy. 0. Did I overtrade? That should be no. And then at the very end, give your trading performance a grade. A, B, C, D, or a F. You get what I mean? So that's the breakdown of my trading journal. Get what I mean? Let me delete this shit. So, not gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all use OneNote, or if y'all want this trading template, hit me up on my Discord. I'm about to put my Discord in the chat. Matter of fact, I don't even remember my shit. Hold on. hold on, B. I gotta remember my shit. Send you that template. All right, bet. I got you, fam. I'm gonna send you that template, gang. All right, I'm about to put my Discord in the chat. So if y'all want that template, hit me up in my DMs and I will send you that personally. I will send you that personally for everybody that want, every single one of y'all that want it. At Pop 7. Follow or add me on Cord and DM me for journal template. No cap. At Pop 7 on Cord, add me and DM me right now. I will get back to y'all when I'm done journaling, or when this stream is over. I will get back to every single one of y'all. Hey, join up if y'all new to the channel, because I see y'all still coming in. If you're new to the channel, hit that follow button so we can stay locked in. We already took a beautiful trade today. Right now, we just journaling our trade. Hey, so Pete, this my journaling process. So as y'all can see, based on today, I already have my weekly bias. You know what I'm saying? My reasoning for my weekly bias. I have my daily bias, which was to go short. Did we hit a high time frame draw on liquidity? Yes, we did. And that was Asia lows. What Asia low was that? That was this 11 p.m. Monday the 13th. All right, bet. So we got Monday 7/13, 11 p.m. Asia low. Boom. There we go. What ICT setup did I trade? I hit an inverse fair value gap entry model. That was the model that I traded today. Why was this an A plus setup? Now me and all of y'all already went over this, but we gonna go over it again. We gonna go over this shit again so we can really solidify this shit in our brain. So we had market opened. Damn, I can't spell, bro. We had market opened higher into 15-minute order block, as well as not even tap, but wick the 25% of new day open gap, right? After seeing rejection from this area, price starts to fall lower, right? We start to see price fall lower after seeing the rejection from this area right here, this big liquidity pool right here. Know what I mean? That was really our hot spot. That was the gas station for this move right here. We was filling up our gas. You know what I mean? As I say, filling up our gas. Then we go down to the 1 minute, right? We go down to the 1 minute. Going down to the 1 minute chart. We are actually, first of all, price inverses to the downside on the 5 minute chart. And see how this is gonna be an actual A plus setup, because I'm about to really like have 4 or 5 bullet points on why this is an A plus setup. Price inverses to the downside on the 5 minute chart. Scale down to the 1 minute, and we see a wick into consequent encroachment of IFVG. That's where we take our entry. That's why we have an A. That's why that was our A plus setup, fam. So our checklist before our entry, did we hit a higher time frame draw on liquidity? Let's actually go back onto the hourly chart. So this is 7 o'clock. That's 8 o'clock. All right. So disregard everything from 9 a.m. and forward. Disregard everything from 9 a.m. forward. You feel me? Because we're talking about before our trade. Did we hit a high time frame draw on liquidity? We did not hit any like key levels, like I mean any highs up here or anything. But as you can see on the 1 hour, we are trading inside and trading and consolidating inside of this 1 hour gap. And then we also see respect to this 3 a.m. London session fair value gap. So we do see respect to this gap. So I'm saying, okay, so we're showing continuation or confirmation of continuation on the higher time frame. So that solidifies my daily bias to go short. So did we hit high time frame drawn liquidity? No. But the following question, did I wait for confirmation? We already had it. You get what I'm saying? We already had the shit. Get what I mean? So did we wait for confirmation? Yes. Did I follow my trading plan? C. Was I patient? We. Was this impulsive? No. Right? Now, like I said, the confidence was there. It was like it was a healthy confidence. It wasn't like an ego or a sense of pride. Oh yeah, we about to make some money in the market today. No, it was you know what I'm saying? It was given what was presented, we had that confidence. You know what I mean? Could I take this trade again? I feel like absolutely. Now, the biggest lesson from this trade, let's really think and look back on this. The biggest lesson on this trade, because I haven't thought about it yet. The biggest lesson on this trade, I would say after seeing this consolidation inside of this 1 hour gap, that is something I can look for in the future. When we see consolidation inside of a fair value gap, while we have a bias, you know what I'm saying? Because we have bearish momentum all the way from Wednesday 3 a.m. down to Wednesday 12 p.m. Then you start to see some pullback into this hourly gap, and that's where you see buyer momentum starting to fade. You see buyer momentum starting to slow down, and the buyers and sellers are playing a game of tug of war. You get what I'm saying? So we're consolidating, we're ranging, we're accumulating. You get what I'm saying? So it's like looking at that, I want to kind of see that more in the future so I can really solidify that concept and see if it's like a consistent thing where if we see consolidation in the fair value gap, how price is going to react. But after seeing, this is going to be the lesson. After seeing consolidation inside of high time frame fair value gap, we see, oh, now we're going to say it was followed up by strong displacement. If I can spell that shit out. Strong displacement. All right. After seeing consolidation inside of high time frame fair value gap, it was followed up by strong displacement. Now, that's going to be something I'm going to keep note of in the future. Now, end of day review. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna save that for later. I'm gonna save that for the time. I'm gonna save that for when I usually do that. But as y'all can probably see, and as y'all know, based on how we've broken down this trade, how many trades did we take today? 1, and I only plan to take 1. Y'all have my word. After I end this stream, I ain't gonna take no more trades. That y'all have my word. I promise. Matter of fact, y'all can screenshot my P&L. Y'all can screenshot my P&L. If my P&L is any different, any lower, or any higher than what it is right now, unfollow my account and don't ever watch my stream again. Banish me to the shadow realm. Like, banish me to the shadow realm for lying to y'all. But we only took 1 trade today. How many followed the plan? The 1 trade I took today followed my plan. How many were impulsive? I would say 0. Did I overtrade? Obviously not. We only took 1. And was today's trade, what was today's trading grade? Matter of fact, I'm gonna let y'all answer that in chat. What drop in the chat right now. What do y'all think my trading grade today was? A, B, C, D, or F? And y'all can put, you know what I mean, A minus, B minus, C plus. Y'all can put all that. So drop in the chat. What y'all think my trading grade was for today? We got Black Guy giving me an A. All right, bet. I like that. A for sure. I like that. I like seeing that for sure. We got an A trading grade. Okay. We got an A. See, I want to agree with you. I think I want to agree with you on that. I ain't gonna lie. I think I want to agree with you. Hey, everybody, drop in the chat. What y'all think my trading grade was today? What y'all think my trading grade was today, man? What y'all think my trading grade was today? Let me check my Discord, see if anybody hit me up for that. Let me see. Hey, and my boys in the Discord eating too. No cap. My boys in the Discord eating too. No cap. That's what I love to see, bro. I swear to God. That's what I love to see, bro. Everybody eating today, bro. No cap. Everybody eating today, fam. No cap. Everybody eating today. No cap. All right, so we got an A. We got my boy Black Guy giving me an A for my trade today. I ain't gonna lie. I think I want to agree with bro. I ain't gonna lie. Now, low key, I do want to keep my eye on the market. I wish Lucid trading. Well, I'm not on my Lucid no more, but like I wish I had a lockout setting right now. Just so I can so I can lock myself out of my trade. Low key. Just so I can lock myself off of this shit. What time is it? Damn, it's about to be 11. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It has been a time. It has certainly been a time. First of all, we took a beautiful trade this morning. Then on top of that, we followed up with showing y'all my journal, my journaling process. followed up by showing on my journaling process. Then we moved on to continuing to tape read New York session going into the afternoon session, and how price has played out, how price action has showed up. It's kind of interesting to see on top of the knowledge that we have accumulated and acquired from my boy Black God in the chat, man. Shout out my boy Black God for sure. He is a wizard. The call outs he's been giving this stream, insane. I don't think I've ever seen anybody accurately call out price levels and key levels the way this dude has, like ever, bro. Like that's crazy. So seeing that, I'll definitely, especially him, continuing to tap into my streams. I'm sure, he'll definitely be dropping more sauce, more knowledge, and we definitely we extend our gratitude and appreciation to my boy Black God. So props to him, shout out to him. The rest of my boys in the trading discords have been eating, smacking this morning. So shouts out to Riptide, shouts out to Print Team. My boys been eating, bro. Shouts out to all my boys who ate, took beautiful trades today, showed good discipline in the market. But all in all, bro, W stream today. Snap it up, clap it up for me in the chat. Snap it up for me, man. Snap it up for me. And with that being said, man, I think we gonna wrap it up. So I will see y'all. What's today? Thursday? Today is Thursday. So again, every single weekday, Monday through Friday, like clockwork, 8:20 Central, 9:20 Eastern, 10 minutes before that bell, 10 minutes before that market open bell, y'all will see me live on Kick. So be there or be square. I will catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.